Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering ideas for stocking stuffers for toddlers. I have a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, so I'm going to cover examples of things that I get for my 1-year-old first. So this is for Addie. He likes all different kinds of crunchy books, noisy books. He loves sensory things. So the first thing I picked up for him are these little books. Next, I got him this little narwhal. I'm going to wrap it and put it at the bottom of his stocking. He loves soft things, so I'm hoping he'll cuddle with it and just love it. Next up, I got them matching Mickey and Minnie ornaments. So he has less of a preference right now, so we got him the Mickey ornament. It was a little pricey, but they love Mickey and Minnie. And of course, you can't have a stocking stuffer without at least one book, so we got him this little Pixar book for just $1. And then we found these little bath watercoloring tablets. We're about to take a big trip, so I wanted to pick some up so it's something fun for them to do in the bath. Now, we don't actually include essentials in the price of the stocking, but we do like to put essentials in. We'll wrap them up for them, and they'll have a little extra thing to unwrap. Got this little 3-pack from the Dollar Tree of Sesame Street. He absolutely loves Elmo, so that's what he's gonna get. In total for Addie, we spent $14 this year. And of course, we're gonna put a few other things like little applesauce in there for him, but he's pretty content. Now the next thing we got was from Marshall, and it was an Imagine ink pad. So he loves to do the coloring for these, and they're no mess, which we love. Then we got him this little color and shapes pre-K book. He's been loving doing this with his daddy. This was only $1, and they love to do this like one page every night together. And I don't really know, I think these are called pin art. Marshall absolutely loves this. It's a great sensory toy for him. We actually got him one last year and he was completely mesmerized by it, but we lost it, so we got him a new one. Next up is the Toddlers staple. You always have to get a little bit of Play-Doh for them. He is absolutely obsessed with Play-Doh. And of course, we got a little book, Minnie. He absolutely adores Minnie this year. We thought he'd like Mickey more, but he loves Minnie. He started doing these this year as well, these little paintable ornament. He really likes them. And then he actually has a little Pusheen light in his room that he really likes, so we got him this little pink cat that looks like Pusheen. Really soft and squishy. And matching bath coloring tablets to go with his brothers. And of course, the little matching Minnie ornament. He also loves Minnie M&Ms, so we just had to have one. So in total for Marshall, we spent $26 this year. We normally try to target $20, so it was a little on the high side, but we just found some really great stuff for him. And then we have a little bit of candy that we always share with each other. And it's time to go wrap. Follow me, and I will be covering wrapping these stocking stuffers and then stocking the stuffing in the next video.